HIV and AIDS continues to be a major global public health pandemic, having claimed over 33 million lives so far. However, with the increasing access to effective HIV prevention diagnosis, treatment and care, including for opportunistic infections, HIV has become a manageable chronic health condition, enabling people living with it to lead a long and healthy life. Wamboi Kamau, who hails from Nakuru, has lived with the virus for 20 years and has endeavored to accept her status and religiously take her medications. This has seen her live a normal life, making her an advocate of testing and knowing people's status in the area.
Ukienda kwa mikutano fulani, hata wangekataa kuongea kwa sababu uko mahali pale. Kama ni nyumbani, pia hata sahani au vikombe. Unapata kuwa wengine wanasema hatutumii kile kikombe kwa sababu kimetumiwa na yule mwenye anaishi na virusi.
The major challenge facing people living with HIV today is the stinging stigma that comes from the society, which may lead to fear of testing or even suicide to those already infected.
Wale walikuwa wakisema hiyo ilikuwa huyu ni mtu alikuwa kufe, saa hizi wanasema hata si hiyo. Wamebadilisha mambo, wanaona kana kwamba sio HIV ninakuaga nayo. Kwa sababu gani? Nimeweza kuishi, kusaidia wengine na kuwaopea mawaidha na kuwaonyesha kuna maisha ya baadaye.
The number of new people starting treatment, moreover, is far below expectations owing to the reduction of HIV testing and treatment initiation and ARVs disruption brought about by the COVID-19 pandemic. The Ministry of Health has, however, encouraged more local manufacturing of the ARVs so as to narrow the demand gap.
Availability of antiretrovirals, yes. Initially, especially in the initial phase of the pandemic, we had a challenge, especially when those restrictive measures were imposed. And you know, when you impose restrictions on movement or a lockdown, then access to services was a big challenge, especially the month of March and April, and that is why the numbers dipped.
Even as the world commemorates the Global AIDS Day today, the Ministry of Health is encouraging people to get tested and know their status, as well as shun away from stigmatizing those who are already infected and affected.
Na hazinunuliwi, dawa ni za bure. Tembelea kituo cha afya mahali uko karibu ili uweze kuendelea na zile dawa, ujipe moyo na ujue kuna maisha ya baadaye kwa sababu mimi nimeishi. Kwa hivyo wewe kijana.
Jijina Magundu, K24 Evening Edition.